We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Succwoah small Christmas tree, 4 pieces mini Christmas tree, snow miniature Christmas tree with wooden base and lights tabletop. Christmas decorations indoor. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Christmas decoration. Comes with 4 separate mini Christmas trees. The snowy small Christmas trees is a wonderful ideal for Christmas decor to creating a festive atmosphere and highlighting the party theme. Unique design. Simulation of cedar tree shaped design, with the snow coated and a natural wooden base that prevent from tipping over. Our tabletop Christmas trees are portable and lightweight. Besides, we also send one 4-meter LED strip with 40 lights, creating the romantic winter Christmas atmosphere at night. Different sizes. Each Christmas trees are different sizes. The height from high to low of the tree is 12.79 inch, 10.43 inch, 9.25 inch, and 8.85 inch. The various size can meet most of occasions and save space. Widely used. Small artificial Christmas trees you can decorate it in the home, bar, restaurant, hotel, and other places. Place it on desktop, cabinet, cupboard, chair, or any other places you want. Suitable for Christmas party, kids party, New Year party, easy to more festive atmosphere. Christmas gift. These artificial miniature Christmas trees, as a sign of Christmas, are the perfect Christmas gift for your family or friends. It carries your good wishes for your family or friends. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.